Okay, so let's go to food for Rhino. Is it where you find all the Grasshopper plugins? And all these Grasshopper plugins can be searched from here. All right, and you can search SDPlatform. Find plugin. It's a very simple plugin I made just for you. Very simple. But it does something simple that I like. That's one thing that you want to download it. You want to download both. So you download this one and the example. And this one. This is made by Will from Poland. Our last time, make it. Download this one. Download it. I haven't downloaded it already. So I'm going to unzip it. One sample folder and one folder like this. PLL file or GAG file. Nursery is the same. So Nursery has this kind of file folder. And so they're going to do. So these two folders are the information. Where do you put this? No. This hologram, by the way, you will need to install hologram. Let's go to hologram. And to go there. And download hologram for Rhino and Grasshopper. Follow the instructions, and I need to upgrade your Rhino, right? And download it and install it. And download it, install it on your phone, and try hologram works for iOS. Yeah. Try HoloLens. One of you asked me, so SCI-Arc has 5 HoloLens. You can check out online. Anybody. So, okay. And you'll need to use another one. This will be one of the tutorial final. Oh, okay. So for robot, it's all from ways to type less very I don't know why they should, but that's how you look for robot. That's also a Grasshopper. Yeah. How do you install go to Rhino and type Grasshopper? That's Grasshopper. And you can go to file, then special folder, then in component folder, open it, then copy, careful, you can start, or you can copy the folder. Maybe not a good idea. So I just found that SDPlatform, when you go in there, it has a folder. So under libraries, you have a folder of your desired library. Sometimes, if you are using, if they are same name, they'll go. This Blackstone and all these are other plugin that SDP is using. So look at other, if you, for example, if you copy, if you download some other people's library and if they're same, then it's maybe they and yeah. But if you have a problem there, once you do that, you will
Do these plugins work on Rhino 6?
Yeah.
That's SDP and Nursery
Yeah,
for Rhino 6.
yeah. Okay, so now you see on here. Answer is huge building. Okay. So don't worry, it's okay. So let's use nursery first. So we were using build. And then I'm going to so we only use build. If you are interested in exploring all of these, I'm going to use this one. Be this field line, but it's not the dynamic. So in Grasshopper, and now this is solid iron. But you can also use this icon. So this icon, it means it only shows you the one that you are applying. So it's really good to check. Then ignore it. But what this is doing is creating a three-dimensional random point. And you can also change it from now. And using the random point, getting random vector, and don't worry about it. Don't worry. And it's creating a directional plane. Let me display this. You can change the plane size. So these are the planes, and these planes can create a field, the background. And if you plug that to the this thing. Don't have to worry about all of it. Just download this, open this one, and change it to the. Yeah, and then you can create. And create a trail of this field. Each point, these lines are generated starting from this point. But the field is this. That's the field. I don't know here. So let me make this dimensional random point. We can also do, but we can. I'm gonna scroll this one. Then save point. I create that. Then instead of using random point, I'm gonna call this fully and getting the field based on points that I just. So we kind of create kind of close this for. So there are these vectors, and now because of that, those vectors, the field became this. So I can also change the field by moving my force field. So you see, these are force fields. The head, it's like the vortex of the tornado. Yeah. Similar. Right now, this is creating random. You can also create a directed field. So I'm gonna get a curve. Then I'm gonna delete all this part. Then input this curve. In case you are confused or scared or Grasshopper, don't worry. If you can generate field method, go for it. Yeah. And also, you can. Yeah, it's pure interest. And I'm going to divide. So I'm going to, you can divide this curve into right now it's 10. I can create a number of points. And then I'm going to use string. I'm going to use X. Perpendicular string on a curve. Okay, this is already giving me the thing on a curve. Oh wow. So I don't have to do it myself. Then you can also change the number of it. Now I'm going to just directly use this one as my thing. So this was like I was making a point and then creating random vectors that make a plane. Instead, I'm going to make so this is now a directed field. They can also have how more direct. with something. That's all we actually all the lines are mainly by exploring this. Another thing you can change is the starting point. Remember the starting points for each lane. So instead of this curve, I can say, okay, I'm going to have this point generated from specific point. I'm going to do point. Then you now they are generated from the so I can actually move. So it starts from this point. You can there is this background field, right? Called vector field, and then that's the starting point. And this specific example was polar field. So that determines from here, create polar field, polar element. But you can also create other elements. I don't know how to find it. So if you say control alt, tells you which type. So you can try different field. Okay, now you have plain field like that. And if you don't know much about this how to use field, just go to the tutorial. So this example is something I do a lot. I also like this one a lot. Field. So something with an input mesh. So don't have to worry about anything else apart from your input. This one has an input mesh. You guys are so good at making shit. So I'm not worried about that at all. So once you have a nice mesh as an OBJ or whatever, import it here, or you do something by yourself. And then what this example does is creating fields based on some curves that go on. Then what eventually we do is create a field on every point on this mesh, then creating field. Some are strong because they're closer to the field sign pointed. Some are less strong. And then you can just use lines or choose to replace the lines for your own. That's for the rest. So how do you manipulate this? Only using input. So these are the inputs. So the input mesh, input curve, and output. Sometimes I also like the four lines. So you can also so I don't have to worry about all of the things over there. This none of that. You don't have to worry about that. Just use this one. Okay, and then design whatever you want. Then mesh this. You don't have to mesh it. Probably, I don't know. Let's mesh it. I made a everything will be like to the here.
A lot of.
And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw a line, whatever line. Doesn't have to be perfectly set. I use this as a field. I have multiple lines and there's a row. Then once I think one for one. Also, you might wanna make it similar. Oh. I should have it. But they were too. That the size also. And it has this. It's a matter of having more force. So, okay. So you need some more forces. And use these lines. There are some different. Oh, this is the field, like longer trail. Anyways, yeah. I don't know everything by heart, but you know, just try. Click on it. And you really don't need to know. Yeah. There are so many available tools out there and they are sharing. I really should use it. Okay, and let me quick introduce to my team. Here, go over. I also recorded some videos. I use it in one of the workshop. So I think our both can the site. So there was one year when we used this tool to apply and populated terrain and snapped it. On the side, help to the differential flow. also is walking, walking. One, three-dimensional one. Also, but acting dynamic point to brain. More specifically setting the starting point, ending point. So, and these examples are all, you should just be able to just open this one and play it. You should do that. So let me show you this walking thing. Well, first of all, let me just. So it's really simple. Here, if you wanna restart. Double click, play. And start. So these two is speed management. So I think sometimes try and start it for yourself. I think final begins quite strong in managing this kind of thing. It's like two different ways of optimizing speed, so don't worry about it. But try to turn on and off both if it's very slow, if it's getting slower. Okay, so you can reset it. You can say, okay, I'm going to do a two-dimensional one. Say, is this 3D? No. Then play it again. Then you can see that these are the repellers, right? So you can also set repellers and attractors. So right now there is this attractor, so they tend to come here with a track. And the size of the circle means the force. So now the size is bigger, they are more attractive. The size smaller. And basically, if you make a minus size, I don't know, if you so you can also automate that like this one, or you can go then add that. So right now, add one. In the center. So you grab the center and roll it. Okay. Now your repellers here. So basically, if you, for example, if you want them to, they are actually coming back. They are bouncing back to the side. But in case if you really want this kind of blocking geometry, so for example, if you have a roll or lever here, and you want it to be want them to avoid that, and just place bunch of the colors. So, for example, use a curve, right? And make a circle. Now we have circles. Then from that the colors. And now let's reset it. They were too strong. But kind of what they are kind of the background. We don't want them to fly away. So this one is a plugin version. So if you double click on it, you don't do anything here. There are more manipulations that you can do if you want to do the things. If you don't know how, I will help you. Don't worry. But you go to the platform example. So the tutorials over here. So let's use this one. So hologram and this one you need to play from here, and all the other parameters are exactly the same. Oh, I didn't mention these. So alignment, position, and selection. These are the values that you can control their behavior. This is same as both. So for example, what is alignment? So when the birds, so let me explain what is algorithm. So if you Google always, yeah, this is Android is human robot, right? Voice is birds and robot. So it's kind of designed for computer graphics, yeah. So to image some kind of talking behavior in movies, how to do that efficiently. And develop algorithm method to explain the blocking behavior just makes simple rules. So each of the agents have 3 rules. They don't understand the whole picture. They only decide their next behavior based on their neighbor. What does it mean? So when you are walking around, you don't necessarily have to know the entire crew, yeah, in the city, but you will avoid sometimes people coming, right? Maybe sometimes there are a lot of gathering, you're curious and open, right? But what attracts them? That is the algorithm, and separation means the value of how much I want to keep my privacy. So I want to go away from somebody else. And alignment is a tendency that if birds are going to certain directions, they tend to align them to the group's direction. Yeah, that's how alignment works. And the reason is that they don't want to become too lonely, right? They always tend to belong. So if you see how you can change the parameters, so if you make the alignment really strong, they will tend to go to similar direction. they will start to like do different things, right? That's the line. And cohesion, if you boost the cohesion really up, they will form a smaller cluster. So you will see that in general, if you the cohesion up, you can even change its value, even up by, but I think these were like after to the range of times, but feel free to explore different types of metal. And if you don't have cohesion, they will form a bigger group or there will be parts. And separation is the tendency to create privacy. So each of them will try to keep their own circles bigger. But if not, yeah, they don't care. Parameter will change the behavior. This can be studied in three-dimensional. And then do the same. All that. And you can change the amount. Oh, another thing I want to do this thing. So looking at C#, this is the burden issue, but not worry about much as long as it works. So this one, if you are interested in changing something really specific, for example, I want them to start from 1 point or 2 points, yeah, instead of like random points. You can come in here and change a lot of things. So let's compare with that example file. So here, let's say set. Oh, we have projecting blocking to terrain with blocking simulation with the differential growth. Project. Is in a array. But anyways, shortest walk. Okay, so because I am not trying to explain the shortest walk time. So this case, it's starting from three different starting points. I added another starting point, and that directly goes here and add as starting point. I I'm sure. I'm going to, I can actually, if it's going further, if you are developing something specific, I can prepare another tutorial to about, but for now, I think they are good enough source for you to work with over the week. Cool. So let me explain you what's the homework. All right. So based on law, I want you to individually, don't team up, don't worry about teaming up yet. Just individually digest everything from today. Try this Grasshopper tools and watch some Grasshopper basics. Here, fill yourself up with Unity, fill yourself up with Grasshopper. Then also install everything for the programs, and those plugins, and 10 reference projects. You can do my website, just do my different work, but also go ahead, check out different artists, furniture designer, whatever field. And find an interesting project that either contributes to the aesthetics or to the thing. And try to think about metal and what is the and how it integrates. I really like when Boiler their work. They're really good in design and purposes. These are really lovely. They also do a lot of self-shop models in their seminars. There are also many facial brain. Why am I getting this? But yeah, something like that. Cool. Well, what else? What kind of things you guys are looking into? Yeah, how Pinterest, Instagram, whatever you want. Then find 10 interesting references to at least 2 of them. And for example, you like then do the steps. Kind of see how you can use some help from digital tools than art. Yeah. So try how to, I want to do something like that, but maybe I want to do something what or how do you manipulate the tools into something workflow. So let's just define task. And then prototype is as I told you. So you saw this one. Okay. Maybe start to just put the design station. Or do you want to carve out? frame, whatever. Or because it's not a lot. Yeah, I just didn't want to overwhelm. This is the problem. But yeah, basically, starting to think about, start to think about, right? Any question? Oh, next. Yeah. Next. We don't have our individual object yet, right? So just grab any, click on edit, go in there. And edit. As long as you have your slide somewhere. Right? And our next week, we will apply. I will start.
Thank you. Bye bye.